Hi, I'm Dr. Haywood Brown. Like every physician, I want to make sure I obtain the most thorough risk assessment for each of my patients. With the data that are now available, these assessments may include a look at the genetics of our patients. Expanded carrier screening helps us identify couples that may be at risk for serious genetic conditions. These inherited genetic conditions are responsible for birth defects that can impact life expectancy, cause intellectual and physical disability, require early intervention, or have no effective treatment options. We can help our patients understand the value of expanded carrier screening when we discuss our recommendations with a newly pregnant patient. Let me share with you how I integrate my discussion about expanded carrier screening in my consultations. Ms. Jones, I also recommend expanded carrier screening to assess for serious genetic conditions.
Genetic? But everyone in my family is fine.
Your family history doesn't always tell us the whole story. Most children born with these disorders have no family history prior to their diagnosis, and their parents have no idea they were carriers for a genetic condition. This test looks to see if you or your partner are a carrier for one of these serious conditions ahead of time. Being a carrier of one or two of these conditions is common, but we only consider assessing the pregnancy's risk when both the mother and the father are carriers of the same condition.
What happens if my baby is at risk?
If the results indicate an increased risk, you have the option to do further testing to confirm if the baby is affected. And we can also discuss how this information impacts how I take care of your pregnancy. Patient educators who are genetic counselors are also available to review this information and your options in detail with you.
Oh, that's not so different from the other screens you've ordered.
Exactly. Thorough pregnancy risk assessments that include genetic screening don't need to be complicated. I encourage you to use our current knowledge to help families in your community.